Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how to fit a vinyl floor in a bathroom all by yourself. It is totally doable on your own in just an afternoon. So this is our current bathroom floor. It's been here since we moved in. I think it's probably been in here for about 20 years. It's absolutely disgusting. So I have bought some more vinyl from eBay actually for a really good price, and I'm going to try and fit it myself. Okay, so I have got my roll of vinyl in here and I'm just measuring this way so that I can work out where to cut, and then we can get the vinyl back in and start the hard bit. Right, so I've measured the width of the bathroom and measured it on the vinyl, and what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting it to size so that we can get it in the bathroom and it will be a bit easier to work with. The beauty of using a vinyl is you can literally cut it with scissors. Okay, so I've got the vinyl in the bathroom now, laid in place. Obviously I've cut it slightly too big for the space to allow for error. Now what I'm going to do is try and make the cuts. So on to cutting around the toilet and the sink pedestal, and this bit is quite tricky. Take your time and make small angled cuts pointing towards the sink and the toilet. I found angling the cuts helped me to get a bit of a neater finish. Knife to cut where the vinyl meets the wall, and be careful to keep the cut straight, and also be careful of your hands as well. But you're basically trying to get the floor to fit as snugly as possible. Okay, so now all the cuts are done and it is laid how I want it to lay. I'm gonna tape it with this. So I'm basically going to pull up the edge, stick the double-sided tape down, and then finish it off with some silicone around the edge. Okay, so we stuck the tape down. What I'm going to do now is pull the top off and then stick the vinyl down. Apply the silicone around the room where the vinyl meets the wall, then run a wet finger over it to seal it. And there you have it, a beautiful new vinyl floor that you laid all by yourself. Completely transforms the room, don't you think? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next time with more DIY tutorials and hacks.